Yun, so day 2 ng mecha crafting na gawa sa cardboard. Ito na siya from yesterday, day 1. And this is day 2. May details na siya. Then yung window open na. Kita na siya. Then yung weapons, ankle support, yung kanyang parang backpack. Well, detachable to. May magnet siya sa likod. So, anytime, pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Tikit lang patong. You know. Mag-i-snap lang siya kakapit. Okay na. May plans pa ako dito for maybe, yun nga, second vehicle or what. Yan. Then, isa sa missile weapon and rifle gun. Try natin. Yung balance na maintain ko naman. Hindi naman siya tumutumba so far. Yun. So, yun yung pilot. Okay. Namumove din naman na to. Up and down like both of them. Maybe alternate. Ayun. So, maybe I can finish this until day 3. And 4 for day 4 para sa painting details. Yan siya. So far so good.